What if the most powerful tool to protect your memory, sharpen your focus, and slow down brain aging isn't a pill, but something you do every single night? Right now, as you watch this, your brain is working nonstop, burning energy, creating thoughts, and quietly accumulating toxic waste that can damage your neurons over time. These hidden toxins are linked to memory loss, brain fog, and even serious conditions like dementia. But here's the shocking part. Your brain cannot clean itself while you're awake. There is only one short window when your brain activates its deep self-cleaning system, a powerful process that flushes out harmful proteins and resets your mental clarity. And if you miss it, the damage slowly builds up, night after night. Tonight, before you go to sleep, you need to understand what really happens inside your brain, because it could determine how sharp, clear, and healthy your mind will be for years to come. Every single second you are awake, your brain is consuming a massive amount of energy to keep you thinking, moving, and processing the world around you. But just like any high-performance engine running at full capacity, this intense mental activity leaves behind toxic byproducts that slowly accumulate within your delicate neural tissues. If these metabolic wastes are not cleared out, they become the seeds of rapid aging, cognitive decline, and the loss of your most precious memories over time. These toxic proteins, known as amyloid-beta, act like microscopic grit in the gears of your mind, slowing down communication between neurons and causing permanent cellular damage. During the day, your brain is too busy processing information to clean itself properly. It is like a busy city where garbage trucks cannot navigate the traffic. This is the true cost of being awake. The longer you stay conscious, the more your internal biological environment becomes polluted with harmful metabolic debris and waste. We often think of sleep as a luxury or a period of inactivity, but in reality, it is the most vital maintenance window for your entire biology. Without a dedicated cleaning mechanism, your brain would eventually suffocate under its own weight of waste products, leading to a total breakdown of cognitive functions. To prevent this catastrophe, nature has designed a secret plumbing system that only activates when you drift into the deepest stages of your nightly slumber. In 2012, researchers at the University of Rochester made a groundbreaking discovery of a hidden network within the brain called the glymphatic system, a neural irrigation path. Unlike the rest of your body, which uses the lymphatic system, the brain has its own unique way of moving fluid to flush out harmful metabolic garbage. Imagine your brain as a magnificent city. During the day, the streets are far too crowded for any deep cleaning to take place without disrupting the flow. When you are awake, your brain cells are packed tightly together, leaving very little room for cerebrospinal fluid to circulate and wash away the daily toxic buildup. But the moment you fall into a deep sleep, something miraculous happens. Your brain cells actually shrink in size by up to 60% to create space. These expanded spaces act like wide irrigation ditches, allowing the cerebrospinal fluid to rush in and perform a deep, pressurized wash of your entire neural landscape. This powerful flow carries away the dangerous amyloid-beta proteins and other metabolic waste products that have accumulated throughout your long hours of conscious thought and activity. This is why you wake up feeling refreshed and mentally sharp. Your brain has literally been washed clean while you were dreaming, resetting your cognitive potential. The efficiency of this glymphatic system determines how well your brain ages and how protected you are against the devastating effects of neurodegenerative diseases later. Glial cells, the support staff of your brain, manage this entire process, acting as the intelligent operators of this sophisticated biological plumbing and waste management network. The waste is eventually pushed out of the brain and into the general circulatory system, where it is finally filtered out and eliminated by the liver. This profound biological maintenance can only happen during the deepest stages of non-REM sleep, making the quality of your rest even more important than quantity. Understanding this mechanism is the first step toward unlocking a lifetime of mental clarity and preventing the slow decay that many consider to be inevitable. Your body functions much like a sophisticated hybrid engine. It operates in two primary modes, one for high-energy growth and another for deep, restorative recycling. During the day, the mTOR pathway is dominant, driving growth and energy consumption. But for longevity, we must activate the AMPK pathway, the master of recycling. When AMPK is activated, it triggers a critical process called autophagy. This is your body's internal self-eating mechanism that breaks down damaged cellular parts. Think of autophagy as a cellular vacuum cleaner. It identifies old, dysfunctional proteins and organelles, breaks them down, and converts them back into useful energy. This process is essential for preventing the accumulation of the cellular junk that causes us to age prematurely and lose our natural vitality and strength. However, this repair mode is highly sensitive to insulin. As long as your insulin levels are high, your body remains in growth mode, blocking vital repair. By allowing our insulin to drop before bed, we unlock the door to autophagy, allowing the brain and body to heal and regenerate during the night. Deep sleep, or slow-wave sleep, is the specific stage where these restorative pathways are most active, providing the perfect environment for deep biological reconstruction. During this time, your mitochondria, the power plants of your cells, are serviced and repaired, ensuring you have maximum energy levels when you wake up the next morning. This nightly turnover of cellular material is what keeps your tissues young and resilient, effectively turning back the biological clock while you are fast asleep. Your DNA is also checked for errors and repaired by specialized enzymes that wait for the quiet of sleep to perform their most critical work. Without this metabolic shift from growth to repair, the body remains in a state of chronic stress, leading to inflammation and the acceleration of disease. True health is not just about what you do while awake, but how effectively you allow your body to switch into this regenerative state every night. To trigger the brain's massive cleaning operation, your body needs a very specific environmental cue, a significant drop in your internal core body temperature. Our body temperature follows a strict circadian rhythm. We naturally cool down as evening approaches, preparing our biology for the transition into deep, restorative sleep. Paradoxically, a warm bath before bed helps you cool down faster. It pulls blood to the surface of your skin, allowing heat to escape into the air. Keeping your bedroom cool, ideally between 18 and 22 degrees Celsius, acts as a biological signal to the brain that it is time to shut down. As your core temperature drops, the pineal gland senses the change and begins to secrete melatonin, the hormone that orchestrates the entire sleep-wake cycle. Melatonin is not just a sleep aid. It is a powerful antioxidant that protects your brain from oxidative stress while you are in your deepest rest. However, artificial blue light from screens can trick your brain into thinking it is still daytime, instantly halting the production of this vital sleep hormone. Protecting your evening light environment is essential for maintaining the natural synchrony of your internal clock and ensuring your cleaning systems activate on time. The depth of your sleep is directly proportional to how well you manage these two factors, the cooling of your body and the darkness of your eyes. When these signals are aligned, the brain enters a state of high-efficiency maintenance, allowing the glymphatic system to work at its maximum possible flow rate. This cooling process is the master switch for the nightly brainwash. Without it, your sleep remains shallow and your brain remains cluttered with waste. Respecting these ancient biological laws is the most effective way to optimize your cognitive performance and protect your long-term health from the inside out. The synchronization of temperature, light, and hormones creates the perfect golden hour for your brain to heal and prepare for a new day of life. When we consistently sacrifice our sleep for productivity or entertainment, we are essentially shutting down the brain's only way to remove toxic waste. Over years of poor sleep, these proteins build up into dense plaques, causing permanent physical damage to the structures responsible for memory and higher thought. This buildup triggers chronic neuroinflammation, a state where the brain's immune system is constantly on high alert, attacking its own healthy cells by mistake. The symptoms start subtly: brain fog, forgetfulness, and mood swings. These are the early warning signs that your brain's plumbing system is failing to keep up. Scientific studies have now conclusively linked chronic sleep deprivation to an increased risk of Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and other devastating forms of cognitive decline and dementia. The 2017 Nobel Prize in Medicine highlighted the critical importance of our internal clocks, proving that living out of sync with nature has fatal consequences. No amount of expensive skincare or supplements can compensate for the damage done by a brain that is literally drowning in its own metabolic refuse. This is biological aging from the inside out. When the brain cannot clean itself, the entire body begins to show the wear and tear of toxic accumulation. Sleep deprivation even affects your gene expression, turning off the genes that protect you from cancer and turning on those that promote inflammation. We are currently living through a global sleep crisis, where the hustle culture is inadvertently causing a massive spike in long-term neurological health problems. Every night you choose to stay up late, you are making a withdrawal from your future cognitive bank account, a debt that eventually becomes impossible to repay. But the good news is that by changing your habits today, you can immediately begin to restore your brain's natural ability to heal and protect itself. To reclaim your cognitive health and master the art of deep sleep, follow the simple 3-2-1 protocol to prepare your body for maximum regeneration. Step 3. Stop eating 3 hours before your scheduled bedtime. This allows your insulin levels to drop, which is the key to activating the autophagy repair mode. When your digestion is finished before you sleep, your body can focus all its energy on neural cleaning rather than processing nutrients and managing blood sugar. Step 2. Stop all work-related activities 2 hours before bed. Your brain needs time to shift from high-stress beta waves to more relaxed alpha and theta states. Replacing screens with books or light conversation signals to your nervous system that the survival phase of the day is over and it is safe to rest. Step 1. Stop all exposure to blue light and electronic devices 1 hour before bed. This is the final countdown to your internal brainwash cycle. By removing the artificial sun of your screens, you allow the pineal gland to release the full wave of hormones needed for deep, non-REM sleep stages. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary, a place of absolute darkness and coolness that invites your glymphatic system to work its magic throughout the entire night. As you drift off, your neurons will shrink, the channels will open, and your brain will undergo the most important cleaning session of your entire life. Waking up should not be a struggle. When your brain is clean, you wake up naturally with sharp focus, stable moods, and a feeling of profound mental vitality. Sleep is not time lost. It is the ultimate investment in your cognitive longevity, your emotional resilience, and your ability to perform at your absolute highest level. By protecting your sleep today, you are ensuring that your mind remains clear and your memories remain intact for decades into your future life and career. If you found this deep dive into the brain's secrets valuable, please subscribe and join our community as we explore more ways to optimize your human potential. Remember, your brain is your most valuable asset. Treat it with the respect it deserves and give it the time it needs to regenerate and thrive. Thank you for watching. Tonight, when you close your eyes, remember that your journey to a smarter, healthier, and younger brain is just beginning. Sleep well.